An angle grinder is a versatile tool that I always keep in my tool collection. The Ryobi HG 650 watt angle grinder can handle all of your cutting, grinding, surface preparation and even sharpening needs. It is part of the Handyline range and is ideal for DIY and home use. The 115mm grinder has a rotational speed of 11,000 RPM and weighs only 2 kgs, so it's comfortable and easy to control. There is a solid spindle lock which allows you to change the discs and accessories without having any slip. You can also loosen the wheel guard to adjust according to the application and direction of use. The handle has a slight forward angle and can be adjusted from left to right. The grinder has a lock-on button which has to be pushed forward and then down for added safety. Overall, an affordable entry-level grinder with enough power to get the job done. Now, this is just one of the grinders available at Builders. For more product reviews, check out the Builders website or visit the Builders Fan YouTube channel.